Stop explaining my pain. People heal, but they don't always change. So I got quiet and rebuilt my brain. I stopped explaining my pain. I stopped explaining my pain. At some point you get tired of saying now I'm really trying, tired of proving you carrying weight to people who only listen when it's too late. So I started healing in private, started protecting what's left inside me, started realizing peace get expensive, and not everybody deserve access to change me. And maybe silence ain't weakness, maybe it's what happens when you finally protect your spirit. I stopped explaining my pain, started turning pressure into strength instead. Everything that almost broke me reshaped my brain. I stopped explaining my pain. I don't need everybody to understand me. Most people only love the version that's easy. But healing made me slower, made me wiser, made me stop forcing love that don't feel natural. Now I leave quietly, move carefully, pay attention to what drains me, 'cause protecting your peace ain't selfish. Sometimes surviving requires distance. I spent too long trying to be understood by people who never plan to understand me. So now I heal without announcements, without validation, without explaining. I stopped explaining my pain, started rebuilding myself through every hard day. Now I protect my peace in a whole new way. Stopped explaining my pain, yeah. And I finally feel okay.